That little boy, Artem Savelyev, is at the center of a growing international incident between Russia and the United States. Artem was put on a plane by himself last week with a one-way ticket back to Moscow and a note from his adoptive mother, 33-year-old Tori Hansen. "I am sorry to say that for the safety of my family, friends, and myself," the letter said, "I no longer wish to parent this child. As he is a Russian national, I am returning him to your guardianship." She also said he is violent and has severe psychopathic issues. Russian authorities are outraged and have suspended adoptions of Russian children by American families. There have been previous incidents in which Russian children were killed by their adoptive parents. The State Department says Russia's reaction is troubling.
If Russia chooses to suspend, these adoptions, these are Russian citizens. That is Russia's right. We would like to see these adoptions continue, but we understand the concern that Russia has. We share that concern.
Meanwhile, Tennessee adoption agencies say Hansen had other options.
This child could have been placed with the state of Tennessee for temporary foster care and then placed for adoption.
And some in Hansen's hometown are calling her actions criminal.
They ought to give her some jail time for sending that kid back over that way.
Hansen has not been seen since late last week, but has been in touch with the sheriff.
The sheriff is still trying to determine if any laws have been broken. He's seeking a court order to unseal the adoption papers. It's still unclear if that adoption was ever finalized. Russ?
Whit Johnson, thank you very much.